Hello everyone, in this video I will configure VLAN on MikroTik Router, and we talk only about MikroTik Router. For the switch configuration, please go to watch my previous video. It is router on a stick that has port configuration. Okay, let's go back to our router MikroTik. Let's start configuration. We will add IP address on port 3 of the MikroTik. We will log into it through this port. No password. Add new password. We add IP address for port 3. We will log into router through port 3. This IP port 3. Yeah, port 3 already have IP address. Okay, let's log in. Okay, we have two VLAN, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, now we create VLAN interface. Create VLAN 10. Put any name. VLAN 10 must be VLAN ID 10. Okay. And that VLAN is on port 2 because port 2 is connected to switch, so we choose port 2, VLAN 10 on port 2, and VLAN 20 also on the port 2 the same. Let's see. For the name we can choose any name, but for the VLAN ID must be 20 for VLAN 20. Okay. After we create VLAN, we need to do the configuration, internet configuration on router first, because we will use the DNS of the internet service provider. For internet config we go PP. I use PPPoE Client account that we get from the internet service provider. MikroTik one is internet service provider. Okay. Name you can change. Okay, I choose this one. And Ethernet port, that is the WAN port. We see here is a port 1 connect to SP, so we choose port 1, correct. This is where we put the account. Username and password I get from ISP. And for if we check here at the default route, the default route will automatically created during we create the PPPoE account, but I don't choose it. I will show how to add the default route manually. Okay, we go to see the IP address. Here we router can for interface PPPoE can get IP now. Okay, now we go to add route, add manually. It is the default route that allow Mikrotik to access the internet. Gateway, we stand on PPPoE, so we choose the PPPoE R1 that we create few moments ago. Okay, apply. Yeah, the route already created. Now let's check Mikrotik router can access internet or not. It should be can access the internet because we already add routes. Yeah, now our Mikrotik can access internet. We can go to our VLAN. We assign the IP for our VLAN. IP address VLAN 10. VLAN 20. Okay, for VLAN we already assigned the IP. Okay. Now we can configure the DHCP server to provide the IP to the client, to provide for PC1, Windows, something like that. Okay, IP DHCP server, DHCP setup, VLAN 10. You can provide from 10 to 254 DNS. You can put the DNS of the Google first. This is where we can put the DNS from the internet service provider. Okay, for VLAN 20, from 10 the same. Okay. DHCP for all VLAN are created. Now we can go check our client. Check IP of our client can get the correct IP or not. This is VLAN 10. Yeah, correct. Go VLAN 20. PC2 is VLAN 20. Yeah, it's correct VLAN. Okay. For P3, Yeah, for PC3 this IP. Okay, for Windows 8 we will check later. Okay, Windows 8 we will check the last one. Now we check the internet on the PC. PC cannot access the internet because we not yet allow it to the internet yet. Okay, now let's configure the internet access for the PC. We go to Firewall. We need to add. Okay, we need to choose a channel snaps. This will allow all the connection in the MikroTik access the internet. Apply. Yeah. Okay. Now we can check on Windows 8. Yeah, Windows 8 can access internet. You can see the icon. It can access internet. Now we check IP first. It is in VLAN 20. Yeah, 20.253. Okay, correct VLAN and IP. Now we ping to internet. Yeah, all the connection VLAN 10, VLAN 20 can access the internet now. Ping google.com. Yes, can. Now your PC one that is VLAN 10, the ping to Facebook.com. Yeah, all VLAN can access internet now. Now our configuration for the VLAN, DHCP Server and internet access are successfully configured. Okay, last one, do ping Inter-VLAN between VLAN 10 and 20. This is PC2 VLAN 20. This IP we ping from VLAN 10. It should can ping because there is no any block on the firewall. There is no any block configuration in MikroTik Router. Okay, and this is the IP of PC1. Now I ping from Windows 8. Windows 8 is in VLAN 20.253. Into PC1. Yeah, it can ping to PC1. Inter-VLAN routing is already enabled automatically. Okay, now if you have any question, please comment on the video. Our configuration is finished, and please subscribe my channel to get more useful videos.